Hey, welcome back to our channel, everyone. If you're new here, we're thrilled to have you join us. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Today, we're diving into something truly special, layered haircuts. Whether you're looking to switch up your style, add some flair, or simply find the perfect cut that complements your natural beauty, you've come to the right place. Layered haircuts have stood the test of time, and they're more popular than ever this season. We're going to explore some of the trendiest layered hairstyles that are not just in vogue but also incredibly versatile. These cuts can enhance your natural features, add volume, and bring a fresh, youthful energy to your look. Let's get started. Layered haircuts are a classic in the world of beauty and fashion, and for good reason. They offer a unique blend of style and practicality, making them an excellent choice for just about anyone. What's fantastic about layered haircuts is their adaptability. Whether you have straight, wavy, or curly hair, there's a layered style that can bring out the best in your natural texture. But what exactly makes layered cuts so special? It all comes down to the technique. By cutting hair at different lengths, stylists can create a sense of movement and dimension that flatters almost every face shape and hair type. The right layered cut can transform your look, giving your hair more volume, a playful bounce, and a polished finish. Today, we're going to focus on 4 specific layered hairstyles that are making waves this season. These cuts are not only trendy but also designed to remain stylish for a long time. So, if you're considering a new look or just curious about what's hot right now, stay tuned. Let's kick things off with the layered bob. This haircut is the epitome of timeless elegance combined with modern flair. The layered bob is a versatile style that has been embraced by fashion-forward individuals all over the world. What makes this cut so appealing is its ability to adapt to various hair textures, making it a go-to option for many. The beauty of the layered bob lies in its simplicity and sophistication. It's a low-maintenance style that doesn't require a lot of fuss but still delivers a chic and polished look. The layers in this cut work wonders in adding volume and texture, especially for those with fine or thin hair. By lifting the hair at different points, the layered bob creates a sense of fullness and body that can transform limp locks into a vibrant, voluminous mane. This style is particularly flattering for those looking to achieve a youthful appearance, as it subtly enhances facial features and softens the overall look. Whether you prefer a sleek, straight finish or a more tousled, beaky wave, the layered bob offers endless styling possibilities. Next up, we have the Pixie cut, a fascinating hybrid of the elongated pixie and the classic bob. This cut is all about breaking the mold and offering something fresh and exciting. The Pixie is an excellent choice for those who want to experiment with their look without going too extreme. It's a style that combines the best of both worlds, the edginess of a pixie and the sophistication of a bob. One of the standout features of the Pixie cut is its ability to add volume and movement to the hair. The layers in this cut are strategically placed to create lift at the crown, giving the hair a fuller, more dynamic appearance. This makes it an ideal option for those with thinner hair who want to achieve a thicker, more voluminous look. But it's not just about volume. The Pixie cut also has a unique way of framing the face, accentuating the cheekbones and jawline for a more defined, sculpted appearance. The Pixie cut is also incredibly versatile in terms of styling. Whether you have straight hair that you want to add some texture to, or wavy or curly hair that you want to enhance, the Pixie cut can be adapted to suit your needs. It's a style that exudes confidence and individuality, making it perfect for those who want to make a bold statement with their hair. Now, let's talk about the Cascade haircut. This is a truly iconic style that has been a favorite for decades, and it's easy to see why. The cascade, or cascading layers, is a style that involves layering the hair in a way that creates a waterfall-like effect, with longer layers at the bottom and shorter layers at the top. This technique not only adds movement and dimension to the hair but also helps to create a more balanced and harmonious look. The Cascade haircut is particularly well suited to those with long hair who want to add some shape and structure without sacrificing length. It's a style that works beautifully with natural waves and curls, as the layers help to define and enhance the hair's natural texture. But even if you have straight hair, the Cascade cut can give your locks a sense of fluidity and motion that's simply stunning. One of the key benefits of the Cascade haircut is its versatility. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty and fashion tips, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave us a comment below sharing your favorite layered hairstyle or any tips you have for maintaining your cut. We love hearing from you and can't wait to see what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.